In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent a movie on Amazon Prime Video. It's a straightforward process, but I'll make sure to walk you through each step so you can kick back and enjoy your chosen film without a hitch. Whether you're snuggled on the couch with your laptop or on the go with your smartphone, you can rent movies smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start with the basics. Open your computer or mobile browser and sign into your Amazon account. Once logged in, head over to Prime Video. This is where all the magic happens, where you'll discover a vast array of movies and more at your fingertips. After you're inside Prime Video, the next step is to navigate towards either the store or the rent and buy section. The name might vary depending on your location, such as the Prime Store option in India, where it allows you to rent movies even if you don't have a Prime membership. This section is essentially your gateway to all the rental possibilities available to you. Now, browse or search for the movie you have in mind. Once you find it, click to open the movie's detail page. Here, you'll encounter a few options, among them, rent and possibly buy. Focus on the rent option for now. Once you've decided to rent, you'll need to choose the quality option, such as standard definition or high definition, if the choice is available. Then, confirm your payment using your preferred method. It's wise to double-check your selections before proceeding to ensure everything's set the way you want. After confirming your rental, you'll receive a specific window of time to start watching and to finish your movie. Typically, you'll have up to 30 days to begin watching, which is great in case you want to pencil it in for the weekend or a relaxing evening. Once you hit play, you usually get a 48-hour window to finish the movie. So, feel free to pause and come back within that period if needed. Following the payment confirmation, head over to My Stuff or Library within Prime Video. This is your personal collection where your rented content will be stored, ready for you to play whenever you're set, as long as it's within the allowed time frame. The final tip to remember is that you can enjoy your rented movie on almost any supported device, whether it's on your TV, smartphone, tablet, or computer. Just make sure you're signed in with the same Amazon account you used to rent the movie and that your device supports Amazon Prime Video playback. And that's it. Simple and hassle-free. Now you're all set to dive into your chosen movie and immerse yourself in the story that awaits. Happy viewing!